join Discord server without anyone knowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to join a Discord server without anyone knowing that you have joined the server. So the purpose of this video is to inform you with the right information that you are looking for and not to misguide you with any false information. Basically, you cannot join a Discord server without anyone knowing, especially the head of the server who has owned the server. As soon as you join the server owner will get to know that someone has joined their server. So basically it can't be possible, but there is a way through which you can observe the server as an outsider without joining in. So for that, all you have to do is just click on the explore discoverable servers from the list given below, right below the discover or add a server tab. And after that you will see different type of servers right here. For example, you want to join Minecraft, so just tap on it, and here you will see all these options. So you can see learn how you can have positive experience and all these other options. But if you don't want to join the server, simply you have to click on I will just look around for now, and this way you will observe the server and the things that other are posting without you joining in the server and letting the other person know that you have joined this particular server. But still you will be able to look around and see what other people are talking about and chatting about as an outsider without joining the server. And that's how you can explore as many servers as possible without even joining them. And on the top you will see that you are currently in the preview mode, and join this server to start chatting. And at any point, if you feel like you are comfortable joining this particular server and it matches your vibe, you can click on join the server, and then you will be part of this server and you can explore other features as well. And that's how you will be able to join a Discord server without anyone knowing. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.